Hey, what's going on? Jeremy Watson here. And in the next few minutes, what I'm going to show you is actually a easy way to host video files from your own server and actually have them play on your own website. So what you need is WordPress, and you need a FTP client like FileZilla like I have here. Then all you got to do after that is connect to your server. So after you connect to your server, you're going to see your stuff actually show up over here on the right side. These are my files, my pages for one of my websites. What I usually do to actually make this method work is I like to keep things organized, so I right click in the box and I press correct directory, and it's going to bring up a little thing saying what directory do you want to create. I usually say, something like videos. Alright, and what that does is basically make a folder within your hosting under your website where you can actually upload videos to. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a video to place in here so we can upload it. Alright, so I found a video that I want to use, and it's called this one, How to Build a Members Area. It's an MP4 file. Usually FLV is the way to go when you're doing this. But what you do, you just take the file, drag it into your FTP, which is mine is FileZilla. You can just drag and drop on the right side. And we're just going to give that a couple minutes to upload, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how to grab the URL and host it. Okay, so my file's fully uploaded, so what we do now, we just right click in the box and click the refresh, and you'll see that it's going to refresh it and my video pops up right here, which is pretty cool. So the next thing we need to do, we need to grab the URL so we know what the URL is exactly for this video. The easiest way to do that is actually right click on it and copy URL to clipboard. And the thing is about this, it doesn't actually grab the URL directly to the video. It grabs what's known as the FTP URL. So we have to edit just a tad to actually get it to work for our video player. So as you can see, if we just scroll over some, this there it is. This URL is pretty weird. It says FTP / then it has your username, then at your host name, and then your folder, and then where it's at. Alright, so what we have to do is we have to edit it just a tad. So the website I uploaded it to is known as Cheap Profit Blueprint. So Cheap Profit Blueprint is my folder name, and I have to actually delete everything before that. So now I just put http / like I was going to that video, and it says Cheap Profit Blueprint, and then I put a .com. Alright, and this is if you've named your folders the same as what your domain name is. So see right here I have cheapprofitblueprint.com / videos, which is the directory that I made, and it has the file name, which is How to Build a Members Area. The %20s, all they stand for are spaces in HTML or in typing in a domain name. So we're going to copy that to our clipboard, and we're going to head over to my WordPress site so we can upload it using a cool little plugin and host it on our site. Alright, so we're in my back office. The plugin that I'm using is known as JW Player. It's a free plugin that you can download and install. I already made a custom player for it, and now all we got to do is actually insert the video into the player and just upload it and insert it into our site. So to do that, after you install JW Player, you can actually click on this Add Video button right here and actually upload the video using the URL. And you do that by going up here towards the top. When it brings up the Add Video box, you click External Media. So we just click on that. It brings up a little box, and you just type in the URL that you made, and that was the one we saved in our notepad, and we just click Add Media. you'll see that it brings up the URL how to build a members area. And all you do after that, you select the player that you made, which mine is custom, and then you click add or insert JW player. So once we do that, this will close and we just update our site. After we update our site, we just view the page to see if it worked. And as you can see, the video actually loads, and this is my video right here showing you how to make a membership area just like the one we're in right now. If you like this video, just share it with your friends, and if you want to watch this video, how to build a members area, it's in the December issue of What's Working Now. So with that, I will talk to you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go put it to use and start hosting your own videos. Talk to you later.